Simplify root 12 divided by 50. Solution. There are two methods we can use to solve this problem. I'm going to apply the two methods. Method 1. We have root 12 divided by 50. The first thing to do is to recall the law of surd, division law. When you have root A divided by B is equals to root A divided by root B. So in this case, we now have root 12 divided by what? Root 50. Now, root 12 is a single surd form. Likewise, root 50 is also a single surd form. Then we need to convert each single surd form to a basic surd form. What is the highest perfect square number we can have in 12? That is 4. So we can write 12 as 4 times 3. Divided by root 50. We can write that as what? 25 times 2. Because the highest perfect square number we can have in 50 rather, is 25. So this will give us root 4 times root 3 divided by what? Root 25 times root 2. So what are we having from here? Now, what is the square root of 4? We have what? 2. So at the numerator, we have 2 root 3. Then at the denominator, we have 5 root 2. You can see we have 5 root 2 now. So since we have 5 root 2 at the denominator, then we need to rationalize. Why are we rationalizing? Because the denominator is irrational. And for us to make the denominator to be rational, then we multiply numerator and denominator by 5 root 2. This is equals to 2 root 3 times, we can multiply numerator and denominator by root 2 also, or by 5 root 2. Because the main thing there is to ensure that root 2 turns to a whole number. Root 2 times root 2 will give us 2. So, multiplying numerator and denominator by 5 root 2, we have 5 root 2 times 5 root 2. Now, what are we having? This will give us 2 times 5, coefficient. This is 10 root 6. We have 10 root 6 because 3 times 2 will give us what? That is 6. Inside multiply inside, outside multiply outside. Then divided by, look at, outside, what do we have? 25. Then root 2 times root 2 will give us 2. So the answer to this problem here, by simplifying further, we have here 2 here, 1, and also 2 in 10 we have 5. So we have 5 divided by 25 root 6. So in this case, since we have this, we can also simplify this further. 5 here, 1, 5 here is what? 5. So this is root 6 over 5 as the answer. Now the denominator is rational. So because 5 is a rational number. So in this case, the second method, for this kind of question, that one is a bit short. It's shorter, rather. So in this case, we have root 50. Root 12 over root 50. So for this, we can reduce both numerator and denominator. How do we do that? There's a number that is common to both 12 and 50. And what is that? 2. So we divide numerator by 2, 12 divided by 2, and also divide denominator by 2. So what are we having? From here, we have 12 divided by 2. What will it give us? That is 6. So we have root 6. Then, in this case, 50 divided by 2, we have what? Root 25. That is from here. This one will give us normally root 12 divided by 2. This is 6. Then we have 50 divided by 2. This will give us 25. Now from here, splitting it by the division law. Look at. From here, this will give us root 6 divided by root 25. So what are we having? This is root 6 divided by, what is root 25? That is 5. You can see we are having the same answer. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.